at 56, I sank from 206 to 139 pounds, and the shock on my doctor's face during my yearly checkup said it all. The doctor was flabbergasted, his eyes wide with disbelief. He said, "Have you been using that juice trick I mentioned in our visit?" I chuckled and confessed, "Yes, I have incorporated the 10-second juice trick into my daily routine. It's an unconventional approach, but its charm is irresistible." The results were so astounding that even the nursing staff couldn't help expressing their admiration. They were fascinated by my dramatic transformation and endlessly inquired about the secret behind my rejuvenated appearance. This was an extraordinarily empowering experience for me, as I left my annual checkup with a renewed sense of vitality rather than anxiety. Now, I can joyfully spend the whole day with my lovely grandchildren without a hint of exhaustion. Are you curious now? Explore more about this life-changing 10-second juice trick by clicking Learn More. It might just be the ignition for your transformation journey.